We're at a chaat stall, which is a typical street food that you find in different parts of the country. Each part of the country will have a slightly different variation of chaat. And the word chaat actually literally means to lick. But basically, the category of food which is sold, on the streets, like I said, is supposed to activate every part of your tongue. So it'll have a little bit of sweet, a little bit of salty, umami, little bit of sour hit, and also different temperatures. So there'll be like cold water in some of the dishes, or there'll be cold yogurt and mixed with some hot chickpeas which are being boiled there. So you essentially you either choose a potato patty or a samosa, or this is called kachori, which is bread filled with lentils, or you are adventurous enough, you choose a chili fritter, and you choose, and then he'll put it onto the griddle, chop it up into pieces, put a little bit of chickpeas, add whatever flavors you want. So you can tell him, I want it more sweet or more salty or more sour or more spicy, and then he'll do almost like a do-it-yourself but being done by someone else, and he'll present it to you as a dish.